Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to highlight a few green flags for Luminar technologies going forward. So let's get right into it, starting with Polestar and a deal that Luminar has made that consumers can now order a Polestar vehicle model that comes with Luminar's technologies equipped on the car. These contracted Polestar vehicles will ultimately begin over the next year and a half, and that converts into business as they start shipping at scale. So already, and this goes to show the number of deals that Luminar Technology has already made with original equipment manufacturers like Polestar to equip their cars with Luminar's technologies. And interestingly, OEMs are actively marketing Luminar as a key value proposition of the vehicle, right? It and there's really only two brands that become visible outside of the automaker brand is what Luminar is saying, and they including themselves along with the premium audio models that come with cars nowadays that car manufacturers boast. Like this car comes with the Bose entertainment system, right? And so that creates a marketing advantage for the audio brand that is included in the vehicle, but also the vehicle gets a benefit because they're highlighting that as a value proposition for purchasing the car. In the same way, Luminar is saying that they're now gaining that benefit in that car manufacturers like Polestar are now highlighting that the car comes with Luminar. So Luminar's technology, so it makes it an even better value if you buy this car because you get these technologies enhanced with your vehicle. And so that's an interesting benefit for Luminar going forward. Another big green flag is a deal with Nissan. So Nissan, they've recently unveiled some additional driver systems that they have in their cars. So they're going to have advanced intersection and collision avoidance. That's the latest addition that they're adding to their development stack with Luminar. And they've publicly stated now that they plan to introduce this targeting with Luminar models by the mid 2020s. So we're talking 2024, 2025, 2026, around that point. And then ultimately, almost every new vehicle model will have this Luminar technology equipped by 2030. And I've been saying this for some time now that the safety benefits of Luminar's technology is what's going to drive it forward. The safety benefits, the collision avoidance, the braking when close to pedestrians or braking when close to obstacles. Those are the elements that's going to ramp its demand and ramp its production and get its technology into more and more cars. The autonomous driving, there's a lot of headwinds to that. There's a lot of headwinds to that. Regulatory hurdles, all of that, it can take more time. But the safety benefits, that can get its technology into cars because that can be marketed as, hey, look, we're going to be saving lives. We're going to be saving lives here, so you better equip this technology in the car because it's an enhancement. There's little downside. There's a whole lot of upside, and so you've got to equip this in the cars. And more so, regulatory authorities are in fact doing that. They're saying it's just saving so many lives that we've got to start making this technology mandatory for manufacturers to just have this included in there. And that's a big entry point for Luminar technology. And that's, in fact, one of the big selling points that's got the company to secure billions of dollars in orders for its technology. So it's looking it's looking like that's where the company should focus on in the beginning stages. And then of course the autonomous driving, driverless technology, that's the big, huge, massive opportunity that they can capitalize on, but that's not very near term as much as the safety, the collision avoidance, all of that is. That can be like very near term, like next quarter, next year type of thing. Whereas driverless technology is more, a few years down the road, There's still a lot of questions to be answered, a lot of rules to be made, a lot of laws to be developed before we can really get into talking about robo taxis and driverless cars on the roads regularly in mass quantities. But that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.